You made it! You've learned so much about attracting, engaging, and communicating with customers through digital channels. Let's sum up what we've done so far. First, we found out why digital marketing is essential for building a strong brand. Next, we covered the basics of creating a digital marketing strategy. We explored the foundations of a digital marketing strategy, learning about your audience and setting goals that support a business's larger aims. Then we discussed picking channels and creating content to carry out that strategy. We went through some of the most common channels and tactics that marketing and sales teams use in their strategies, like search engine optimization, which helps them reach audiences through search results. We also discussed search engine marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and display ads. Finally, we explored how companies expand their reach and engage with customers through social media, and how they build relationships using email marketing. Remember that even if you never write an acquisition email or do keyword research, understanding these concepts is an important foundation for your career. By now, you may be starting to get a better idea of which parts of digital marketing and e-commerce interest you the most, but there's still more to come. In the next part of the course, you'll learn about some of the ways companies measure and improve their marketing and sales strategies so they can better meet their goals.